we're at Clary Sage College and we're learning about the aesthetics program. I have Sherry Baker here to tell us a little about it.
Hi, I'm Sherry Baker at Clary Sage College. I'm the Master Instructor for Aesthetics here.
Can you show me the classroom?
Sure, come with me. This is the classroom.
So what is kind of the structure of how they go through the classes? How do students get all the content under their belt?
Well, the structure of the classroom is every 10 weeks.
Okay.
But it starts every Monday. A new start will start every Monday. And they will just jump right in with the class.
So it's kind of on a rotation, all of the different topics they cover, right?
Yes, and they can join in anytime on Mondays.
Oh, that's cool. And so then after they finish the 10 weeks of practical work, then what do they do?
So they'll do their 10 weeks for practical work, and then they'll have a theory of class every each week or each day, and then they'll go on to the salon floor for 8 weeks.
Oh, okay. Well, will you show me the salon?
Sure. Walk this way. So this is the salon floor where the students take their clients.
So what kind of services do they do with the clients?
Well, they do facials. They also do their back treatments as well. They'll do waxing. They can do chemical peels.
Okay. And so after they are done working, or after they're done with their practicals, then what are some of the places that students end up working after they graduate?
Well, they have a lot of choices. They can work at a spa or a medical spa. They can go into a resort or even the cruise line.
Oh, that's really cool. So what's this room over here?
Well, this is our microdermabrasion room and wax room. And this is also where they do waxing. They do all types of waxing, Brazilian waxing, lip and eyebrow.
Oh, cool. So as far as the classes go, what's the atmosphere like in the classroom? What are the instructors like?
Well, all the students are very diverse in what they're teaching. They're highly educated in also what they're teaching. They also have a lot of fun in the classrooms. They like to engage in the students while they're doing their practical work.
That's great. Well, so are there any other areas that you want to show me?
Yes, we have a Serenity Room. Follow me.
Let's go.
This is our Serenity Room.
So what do they do in here?
Sometimes our clients have multiple services, so we bring them here to relax in between services.
Oh, so they can go and get like a facial and then get a massage?
Yes.
Oh, that's great. Well, another thing about Clary Sage is they're a nonprofit, so their goal is to set students up for success. So every student gets a kit they get to take with them. What do the estheticians have in their kit?
Well, the estheticians, they get in their kit a state board kit, so they're prepared for state board, and then they get a multiple products and tools as well, so they can use it while they're in school and outside of school as well.
And they get a tablet as well.
Yes, and books.
That's great. So it's pretty much setting them up for whatever they would need for school and beyond.
Yes.
Well, if you're interested at all in this program, you can look us up online at clarysagecollege.com, and we have enrollment info and info on the programs on there. Or you can call us at 918-298-8200.
And thank you for being interested in our program, and hope to see you soon.
Thank you.